So I've had problems with this 2005 Honda Accord getting water into the spare tire well. Like down here, water was accumulating like with no reason whatsoever. So I actually popped a hole in the bottom to drain it out. So today I was chasing a clogged sunroof drain on the front, so I was gonna check the backs too, but I was at it. So on the passenger side it was draining normally, but on the driver's side it's not draining at all. Nothing came out, so I assume it was clogged somewhere. Then I noticed that water came out of the hole. When I poured the water into the sunroof case, it came out of the hole that I drilled. It's actually still dripping a little bit. And started investigating, because here's the that's the drain, so figured it had to be behind here. So I popped out these. It just sits with about 5 of these clips. You'll pop right out there, there, and there. Open this up so you got some room to negotiate around. And look at this. This is the sunroof vent, and this is the drain from the roof. And you can actually see the water standing down here. Good stuff. So Honda has cheaped out, and they opted not to put a zip tie or something on here to make sure that this doesn't pop off. So I'm gonna check the other side too, because there's a good chance that's not good either. But sure as hell gonna put the zip tie on here. Look at the amount of water sitting down here. Incredible. It's not good enough. Garbage.